Hello. In a previous purchase ledger video we looked at paying individual invoices. We're now going to look at an alternative which will allow you to pay multiple supplier invoices in one go. So to do this we go to Purchases, Ledger and Auto Payments. We could select an account type to filter by, but I'm going to leave it blank. I'm going to select now a date to look at invoices up to, in this case, today. I'm going to leave my payment type as B for BACS and my account, in this case a BACS holding account, but we could select your bank account if you wanted to. And we're going to select a payment date of today, so that's when we're going to make payments. For remittances, we're going to leave it A for automatic. What that will do is it will email a remittance to all suppliers that have a valid email address against their account, and it will print all those that don't. P will just simply print all the remittances, and N will do nothing, it won't produce any remittances. So we're ready now to see what we've got to pay. So if we hit the load selection button, we can see that we've got a selection of invoices to pay, some of which are cleared, or most are cleared. We do have some uncleared invoices, they won't be paid. We've also got some credits in here as well. So the total that we need to pay is down in the bottom right, £7,496.83. We can mark individual suppliers to be paid, or we can mark all of them. Also, if we double click the account code, we can see the invoices therein. And in the case of Tools for You, we can see an uncleared invoice and we can see a credit note. So when we're ready, we can make payments. This dialog will just confirm what you're doing, and it'll ask you to type yes in the box just to make sure you've understood what you're trying to do. So it'll tell you the value of payments you're making and the type of payment you're making and what you're doing with the remittances. So action payments. We can close this dialog now. And now if we go back to Purchases and Ledger and BACS, we can see these are the payment runs we need to make. And these are the bank account codes for the suppliers therein, which we've set against the accounts. So we need to put a payment reference in for each one of these. So down at the bottom we can do that. We'll just use demo. And again, we can mark these one at a time, or we can mark all of them. Again, that's the total we're paying. If we hit Create CSV, again, it'll give us a confirmation of what we're doing, and we need to type yes. And it gives us two different options. Action with separate payments will create a payment file for each individual payment you're making. Action with merge payments will look at where bank accounts and sort codes are the same and make a consolidated payment therein. So we'll action with separate payments in this case. The system confirms that it's created a file for us to upload to our banking software. If we navigate to that file, which I've already got open here, we can see the CSV file therein, which we can then upload to our banking software.